I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select action. Zendesk. Give here an API key, so please visit the Zendesk API token. Add access token. Give here a meaningful name. Save. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Zendesk site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully on the Zendesk site. Thanks for watching.